Stick around because I'm going to show you how we took this folded cargo door from this to this without doing any kind of repainting or replacement of parts. Stay tuned. So kind of an unfortunate situation here. One of my repeat customers' employees backs up into something with the door open and folds and crushes this door. Body shops all around said this thing needed to be replaced. He did not want to wait for a new door and then have everything resprayed on this literally 5,000 mile vehicle. And not only that, it's just, when you have a business and you have one of these trucks on the road, it's what makes you money. So he did not want to have this thing sitting in a body shop for weeks on end waiting for a door and then having to do all the vinyl over again. It just was a real nightmare. So he decided to use Paintless Dent Repair. We were able to actually repair this door in one day for him, sealing it all back up and then repairing the metal. We didn't drill any holes in this panel anywhere. Was it the cheaper route? Not necessarily, but it definitely was a way more convenient and better quality repair situation for this gentleman here. And this is the route he chose. And I can tell you that Paintless Dent Repair, when it's done at a high level, is by far a better solution if you can have it done this way. It's going to save you time. In some cases, we can save you some money. And this repair turned out great. I was very happy with the end result. If you have any questions about Paintless Dent Repair, give us a call, 386-216-5185. Thanks for watching.